Good morning, good morning, good morning. GM. That's how we roll. I'm gonna pop on this Discord. Looks like we got a raving crew of maniacs already waiting. Oh yeah, there's a ton of people. Awesome. Look at you. At least 50 people. 50 people in the Discord live stream. That's awesome. Let's see. What are we gonna do? Is it an earnings day today? Yeah, it's an earnings day today. We got Google, we got Apple, we got Amazon, we got Starbucks. Those are the big ones. We actually, let me pop over here. Let me pull up this earnings list real quick. Now I'm just looking for liquidity, right? Looking for the liquidity plays. I have Bristol Myers, good. I really don't like that. Sirius, not bad. Lots of liquidity. And obviously we got our Amazon, we got our Google, we got our Apple and Starbucks. Other than that, I really don't like it. Yeah, there's just quite a few other earnings going on, but like I just said, I'm looking for some high liquidity. And yeah, most of them, 50%. I mean, I really don't like the ones I just mentioned are the ones I'm really targeting. Targeting already in trades in. Let's see here. Let's come on over. Let's come over to this VRE and see what happened. Got the dollar pumping right now. So, got the Fed meeting yesterday. Man, oh man, oh man. A little bit of volatility happened. Yeah, that dollar. Woo! That dollar dumped out. Yes, it did. Did it get far enough away from this weekly range? No. It's a magnet, man. It's a magnet. Probably going to head right back up to it. Opened up, yeah, it looks like the dollar opened up way below the new daily range. Obviously, it's been tested now, but to the bottom side of the 68.3 Laplace distribution range on the daily, too. All right, if you're watching my mouse here, it's these two white cross lines. Got back up into it, found some support on it, rejected it the top side perfectly from it, came back down, tested the second support level for that tight weekly volatility range, and now it's heading right back up. About ready to pretty much almost at first standard deviation move. And like I said before, yeah, almost at 102 up here, tight weekly range. What does that tight weekly range mean? Trend. That's what it means. Lots of freaking trend. The dollar has been trending this week all over the place. So, everybody wants to know, is the bull back? Is the bull back? You know what? It's always a hard question to ask, right? Here, I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you what bull's back. Scared money doesn't make money. Okay, so when all these people are on the sidelines, the bull back. Should I buy? Should I do this? Should I do that? What the hell, man? Take risk. Spread it. Spread your risk around. Right? Quit asking questions. Take action. That's what I tell people. You know how many fucking phone calls I've got in the last 2 days from people just asking stupid questions? No offense. They're probably going to be watching this on YouTube later going, motherfucker. But yeah. Lots of stupid questions. So what do you mean is the bull back? You know, we're volatility traders. We're always bullish. I don't care which way the price action's going. I'm a bull when everybody's a bear. Am I trading to the downside? Yeah, but I see that as being a bull. I'm bowling the markets around. That's what you do. You're not afraid, right? You get into positions. What's the biggest reason why? Because I trust my charts. I don't have to ask anybody else, oh, he's the bull back, what's happening here? And I'm never, ever, ever going to come out, put myself out on that fucking ledge of a 200-story building and say, yes, bull market's back, and this is where Bitcoin's going. No, I'm going to give you probabilities to both sides, right? I'm going to trade what the market gives me, period, the end. That's how we roll. That's what I like to, I don't do too much tutoring anymore, but that's what I try to just drill into people's heads, right? You just got to take action. You definitely can't be scared. If you're coming into these markets, I don't care if it's crypto, I don't care if it's traditional, Forex, whatever. You like trading commodities. You can't go into it being scared, right? Here's the biggest reason why people are scared. They're trading with money they can't afford to lose. That's the biggest problem. That always becomes a problem for people. Talking to a female friend the other day. Got a lot of money. Afraid to put it in the market. I'm just like, so what are you going to do? You're just going to sit on it? What are you going to do? Give that $500,000 to a bank? Jesus. So here's how I think about cash. Don't trust the banks. Never had, right? You talk about a scam. They call crypto scam. Dude, banking is a fucking biggest scam there is. I don't trust them with my money. The only time I put money in my bank account, it goes right back out, right? I'm paying bills. I'm buying something. Yeah, I don't leave money in the bank. Like right now, my bank account's got like $200 in it. I laugh. I don't. I have, so what do I do with my cash? You know? I got my old cold wallet. What is that, under a mattress or something? Hey, I might bury my money. You never know. But it is definitely not in a fucking bank. Don't trust them. Yeah. Rant. Is the rant over? Yeah, I think the rant's over. We got a lot of pre-market loveliness going on, though. I'll tell you that right now. Everything's up. Everything's up. So it doesn't matter whether or not the bull market's back or not. But this is how it always starts when there is a pivot at the bottom, right? This is how it always starts. And most people miss a lot of the good action. Like people were scared shitless of Tesla down there around $100. We realize it's pumped 90% now. And everybody's still going, and you know what's even funnier? People are trying to short the shit. It's like, what the fuck, man? Stop. Trust your charts. That's the problem with a lot of people out there. They do not have charts they can trust because they've got wrecked so many times. You got to be able to trust your VEPS charts, right? Volatility, entropy, probability, statistics. I heard it. A lot more foolishness than usual over on Tasty Live this morning, talking about crypto. And right when you think people understand crypto, they're totally clueless. Talking about, I don't know if I trust it. I'm afraid to get hacked. And it's like, and then I put stuff in the chat, people don't get hacked, they get scammed. It's tough being your own bank. Most people don't take the security. They don't put that at the top, right? Security is very important, right? 100% it is. When you're your own bank, you need a safe, right? What's a safe? It's a hardware wallet, right? It doesn't matter what kind. I know so many people that just leave their crypto on an exchange and let them be the custodian. What the hell? That's what really blows my mind. People are leaving money on these exchanges. I don't care what exchange it is. But Coinbase is safe. Is it? Is it? Who's running their security? I have no clue. I've never talked to them. I don't know what they're up to. Have they ever been scammed? Dude, all these places have. Guarantee it. Guarantee it. People are very when it comes to security, they don't put enough emphasis on it, in my opinion. I do. I mean, big time. Very secure. And I'd never have been scammed. Why? Well, number one, I don't let people just, it's like almost a meme, right? People, just let them, it's okay to let people slide into your DMs. I know this, man, I've been chatting with this person for months. Hey, they got this thing going on, that thing going on. I'm telling you what, man, you're getting social engineered most of the time. Crypto is so ripe of scammers, it is incredible. They all flocked to cryptocurrency. Why? Because there's no face, right? You don't even know who these people are that are doing all this. But there are massive scammers out there setting booby traps everywhere for new people coming in. And a lot of people, they get a DM, here's free shit. That's how most of it starts. Here, you want this? It's all free. Here, just put in and they ask you for all your address, everything, right? There's people out there giving up their private keys for hey, this is an email from Ledger and you have to send us your seed phrase so we can upgrade and blah, blah, blah. And it's insanity and people fall for it. It's crazy, man. Be careful. Be careful. That's all you got to do. Be careful. And if you don't know how to be careful in crypto, reach out, especially in the Alpha Trading Discord. If you ever have a question about your own security, this stuff, just ask. Because a lot of us here, we've been doing this for a while now. Me, early 16. I mean, Jesus, right? Time flies. It just seems like yesterday I'm riding the crypto bull market up there with Tron and Verge and fucking Cardano and woo, just having a good old time, right? Don't forget Bitcoin and ETH, all that stuff. But yeah, Fun times. And now here we are. Possibly coming out of the bear market. But what did I just say? When you're a volatility trader, it's always a bull market. Invert the chart. As Yasha always likes to say. Just invert the fucking chart, man. Hey, look, bull market, let's go. Trade it. That's all you got to do.
That's right.
That's right. Funny. So overnight, Bitcoin, right? Look, we open up the new day, Bitcoin. Let's get a percentage move here on that 15-minute candle. I always love looking. And this baby's starting to work up. Let's see, right from the open to the wick. Whoops, get over here, get over there. Yeah, 2.27% move. Nice. $539 45-minute move, pretty much. 3 15-minute candles. Not as great as we've seen Bitcoin do before, but this is kind of showing you what's up with Bitcoin. So here we are, right back down. Went up, got outside the 68.3 Laplace distribution range to the top side. Came all the way back down. Did not close a 15-minute candle above it. Do you guys see what the algos are doing here? Do we understand this? Now they look at these little. This is a 15-minute. You get down on the 1 minute and look at these little moves right here. This is algo heaven, man. Boom, 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 boom. Now they're trying to bounce off the bottom side of the 68.3 right now. This happens and sustained. You're going to probably go right back to the top side. Over 24K again. Over 24K again. That being said, while we're waiting for these traditional markets to open up, let's go over here. Let me take a peek. Yeah. AVAX making another move, up 7%. Yeah. Oh, bonk, you decided to come out of the... Oh, look, XRP's up 0.19%. Where's our crypto warlord at? He's probably all excited. Nothing really sticking out of me. A little bit of red. Not much. Not much. Doge. No, Doge. Let's see here.
Morning, guys.
Hello.
Everybody loving Meta today, huh?
Everybody's loving Meta but Bilbo.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, bro, I'm not touching of a 10-foot pole. I mean, everything
else.
Poll? What's that?
You see a huge miss, down 52% from time. Their earnings per share, revenue barely beating quarterly profit 55%.
Yeah.
So that's at 30 points.
If I were going to get into Meta, because right, it's been pumping, and they crammed so much premium into it the other day. And so yesterday, it was a trip, man. I forget the puts and calls they were talking about, but the puts lost like 90 cents. Call didn't even move. Didn't even move on the other side. Just crazy. So, yeah, if I were going to make a Meta play, I'd be shorting the shit out of it probably. Probably define risk, obviously, but...
Puts.
Yes, puts. Speaking of that, here, let me pop up this chart over here on Tastyworks. Let's see here. What do you mean put in my password? Okay, I'll do that. Pizza. There we go. Let's see here. Yes, Meta. Yes. Let's check this out. Strike. What? Oh, what are they doing? Oh, this is interesting. No options are available for this symbol. What's happening here with Meta? Uh-oh. This is interesting. Let's pull Meta up. Yeah, it's the hot topic right now anyway. Everybody's talking about Meta. Yeah, I'm not talking about Meta. I'm talking about Apple and Amazon. I'm heavy on them. Let's see Meta. Jesus, really? Really? 2.79 pre-market. Let's take a peek here. Wow. Tell you what, the Fishers look good, but I'm just, this is a 5-day chart, right? One thing that, from this bottom down here, about $87. No bear div set up, right? Here's the bear div. The bear div's on the returns oscillator, not on the Z-score. But the Z-score it just barely got up above the 95% confidence interval. This thing can stay up here for a minute, but you see, when do we get a 5-day? First, we just got one. Yeah, so it's going to be a minute. This returns oscillator drops below this zero mean. Could spell trouble. I mean, look at this whole move. Look at this whole move. While people, and see, this is a 5-day chart. And so you got people out there talking about trend, right? People do not understand trend or random walk, or even know what a random walk is, or even realize that the markets are most of the time in a random walk. This whole move on Meta on the 5-day, heading back into randomness, right? Isn't even back into trend yet, right? Not even trending. Volatility is crushed on the 5-day. Crushed. You got the 2400 hanging high, which that's usually you're going to revisit. All the other two lengths are probably going to pop, but you're negatively correlated right now. The 525 length on the AVR, crushed. The 981's at a 12. I'd like to see, actually, let me pop this up real quick. Let me see what the correlation is on the 981. Yeah, let's take a peek. AVR 1? No. 2. Damn it, coffee gave me hiccups again. Yep, negatively correlated as well. You can see. Here was, boom, you start to get the, let me see here. Yeah. Boom, boom. Yeah, expansion, negatively correlated. You get this run down. And then the volatility expanded fully. I'm pretty sure it only went up to about a 94, 95. When the correlation broke, it pumped, wham. You got about 4 or 5 day candles that expanded to 100% while the correlation was running positive. Then, as soon as it started contracting, bam, you get a break in correlation, negatively correlated volatility contracting, right? Just walked up. This baby's just walking up. Random, right? The price action's just random. So what am I saying? It's randomly walking to the top side. Pretty easy to understand, really, right? Hey, there's positive drift in these markets, man. There's positive drift in these markets, and by using volatility and entropy, I'm getting a great. I'm starting. I haven't even been talking about it with anybody, but I'm really sticking to these two indicators and really trying to figure out. There's a lot of signals going on between these two indicators. And I'm going to get it just like I did with the volatility and the correlation. I didn't just come straight out talking about it. I was like, I don't want to look like a fool. Who does? This is the greatest thing since sliced bread. And then somebody comes in and just like, boom, just starts showing you all the faults and bam, bam, bam. No, I like to work my way through that. So I make sure I know what I'm talking about first. But yeah, there's very interesting things going on in here. I haven't even talked to the closest people I talk to, like the founders and stuff, about shit I'm working on with these two indies. It's exciting. Powerful. Very powerful indicators. Yes. But we do have the variance coming down negatively correlated on Meta. But I'm telling you right now, I'm waiting this returns oscillator. That's a weird little, man. That is a weird read too, man. That thing just rolled over. Wow, interesting. So what do? Drop down. Drop down through these time frames. Or you know what? What's this 21 day look like before we jump back? Setting up some very, very, very strong hidden bear div. I mean, you got all the fissures are finally up. I mean, fuck, man. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm not gonna trade Meta. If I did, I told you what I'd like to do. But wow, look at the pre-market. What the fuck am I seeing things right now? Is really Meta up that much pre-market? Wow, holy shit, man. I didn't realize that.
They announced a buyback.
Did they now?
And that's what this is up on.
Shorts are getting wrecked.
Yeah.
Holy crap. That's why I'm not even touching the damn thing. I don't want to touch it. Have fun. Zuck Bucks. Where is... Oh, nice. Nice. So you got Amazon up 4% pre-market. What's Apple doing? 1.88. Nice. Let's check Amazon out. It's enough of Meta.
Silver's up $1.
Right.
Oh, look at all moves, man.
Everything. There's all the ton. I mean, we're up here on the 21-day chart, man. There's just nothing but bull div. All the fissures on Amazon are getting ready to turn up. There is no div yet, right? I mean, if we're going to come back here, obviously, but this is all just setting up bull. But we know when usually you're setting up bull on the bottom side, you're setting up hidden bear on the top. This recent, not yet. I'd actually, on this 21-day, it'd be nice if this just turned down a little bit, right? Created in that. I don't know if that's going to happen, though, ladies and gentlemen, with earnings. I mean, this thing's up, what, $4 pre-market? Look, heading back, it's still trending barely, but it's heading back into random walk. This 21-day candle, 92 percentile on the low length, positively correlated. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. What's a daily look like? Let's see what this daily looks like. Probably setting up some bear div. But man, this variance. Look at the Fisher, strong too. A little erratic, but man, they're all giving the same read for it. Sure, contracting volatility, negatively correlated. This is when I love correlation, man. These nice clean breaks in correlation. This is the most important thing when you're looking at this volatility indicator. Without the correlation, clueless on what to do with this volatility. It has to be correlated. Of course, you can wait, right? Hey, volatility is expanding. Well, which way's price action going? Oh, that's a good idea. But that we all know that that's a bad idea, how to use these indicators in trade. You got to understand how it's correlated, and then it's a no-brainer. And then you get into some nice expansions or contractions, and then are we going in the trend? Are we going back into a random walk? There's a lot of things going on over here on this side. That's why I only have 2 indicators over here. They deserve their own space. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. No div, at least this local move on the daily. No bear div on Z-score log returns. Got that going for him. Or Fisher or DLP. Look at this DLP, man. It's a strong read, actually. No div at all. Wow. So let's see what happened. Last 4-hour candle. How'd this close yesterday? We could do, though. Let's pull. Where are you, you little sweetie? There's my drag and drop. Let's go to this local here. Boom. See where this baby's at. Yeah, riding the fire, man. Okay. While people are drawing trend lines on wicks and bodies and whatnot, right? And if you are out there drawing trend lines, I see so much pathetic shit going on, it's ridiculous. Don't think I don't know how to set up traditional TA charts. Trust me, I do. And a lot of people don't even, they're trading lagging indicators and not even using it properly when they are doing it, or with their chart art. People don't even know how to draw chart art. They're just like, they're in a chart art echo chamber. It's crazy. It's all about the distribution, man. All about the distribution. We got 3 wicks into the 95 for Laplace so far on this 4-hour. Pretty crazy. Let's see what it looks like. We pull it all the way. Whoops. Come here, you. Pull it all the way back. There we go. Yeah, it's up here above the 95 for Laplace. Or hold on. Yeah. That's right. I got my extra level. Confused me for a minute. So is it going to make its way up here to the 99.7? It's a 123. Tell you what, be good for my trade. That's for damn sure. It's interesting. Wow, Meta's not showing any options over here on Tastyworks. What the heck's happening, man? It's kind of crazy. Have they halted it? What do you got going on?
I see it trading still.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking Tastyworks in general.
Yeah, I don't know why they wouldn't have the options up. Let me see what
See if you're seeing the same thing. Maybe I've got like a bad data feed or a browser thing going on. Maybe I need to clear my browser. But everything else is fine. Oh wait, got it.
Oh, there, got it.
Dude, just popped up. Hilarious. Let's see here real quick. Go out here to March. I'm just for shits and giggles. So the 160, buy the 160, sell the 65. Holy shit, man! This thing's this is untradeable right now, man. Nothing's gonna get filled anyway. Not what I want to get in. If I were going to, yeah, that's not happening. But let me see, where are we here? Wow. Is there a bunch of? Trying to look at some skew here. What's happening? Looking. Definitely put from what I'm seeing here. Okay. Wow. Wow. How about Google? Where's Google at? Let's see here. It's enough on Amazon. Let's see, where you at, Gabe? Da, 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 da. There you are. A little
So $5 too.
Oh yeah, it's moving, huh? 106.
It's all good again, man.
Yeah,
It's all good again.
it's all good. Everything's fine. Nothing to see
Nothing
here.
to see here.
Nothing at all. We're chilling, man. It's a 21 day, huh?
The dollar got smoked.
Oh yeah. See it? Fucking yes, it did.
Wow.
Yeah. Had a nice drop. Rejecting off that weekly range, man. First, it trended to the top side of it. That's something. At the beginning of the week, I was like, dollar's going to be all over the place this week. It is going to trend all over. And it's looking like it's just going to hover around that weekly range. Bust up top side, downside, find itself right back. We'll see, though. It's if it rejects here at this support level of the weekly range, and this thing, I'll tell you what, if this thing gets stuck, even if it dumps below the 68.3, what if it does a 1 SD move to the downside now? Man, these markets are going to rip. They are going to rip. The minis look great. Minis look real good. Everything does. Shit.
Yeah.
Looks like a bull market.
Yep.
Meanwhile, most people are scared shitless, right? Is it a bull? I'm afraid to get in. It's like, that's why you never make money. Don't be scared. Grab it by the horns. Let me see.
What I was doing.
What time is it? 9:26. Getting ready to open. There's gonna be some fucking fireworks there in a minute. Go over here on traditional. And once we get through this open, then I'm gonna circle back to Bitcoin. Go over these Bitcoin charts, pumping right now, obviously. Back up to almost 24. It's where we like it. It's not done, right? We know what's happening. Let's take a peek over here. Oh, we got cats. Damn it, did this thing do that again? You little dirty bastard.
Say hello, cat.
Boom, 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 boom. Let me see here. Let's throw this on first. Apple. Let's see. Let's turn off the PB real quick. You're looking at the reverse mean of log returns there. We've got a power mean running through it too. Where's Apple at right now? I mean, I saw this the other day. Right? This is like a nice little point here where we're really going to want to see is, so we're going to close, and what do I got this on week? Holy shit. Let's go to the 21 day. Above it on the 21 day, like that. Let's see the 5. Probably right at it too. That's what I want to see. Yep, perfect. So, on a 5-day chart, we're right at the 33 power mean. This thing's got room to run to the top side though, but we know what these power means do, man. Hey, bully price action, big time. Big time, big time. You know what? Let's go over here real quick. Put this baby back on Apple. Oh, wait. Damn it. Wrong chart. What am I doing? Right here. Over here, sir. We got Apple. We got 5-day. Let me see something here.
One to keep an eye on too, guys. Carvana.
Yeah.
CDN.
Yeah. What's it doing right now?
It's up. I mean, if you look at the daily on, things had a big move, but they say there's a huge short in it. It's obviously short squeeze. We're trying to make this the next GameStop.
Right.
As always.
Here's this is actually nice. So on the 5-day, that 33 power mean, there's wicks going into 33 power mean. Where else are they going into? Reverse wave trend as well. Got double trouble. So if on this 5-day chart, Apple gets above this reverse wave trend, gets above that 33 power mean, you've got the reverse Fisher up here at about 166. Top of the power mean band though, about 154. So let me see here. Where are you, Apple? Where are you, you little shit? Hello. And the market's open. And What strikes today? 150 and 160. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Go Apple. Where'd that sucker open up at? 149. Hey! Let's go back over here real quick. Now, what did I just change out there? Bitcoin, Netflix, Apple, macros. Yeah, almost at 149. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. I bought a 150, sold a 160. I like it. I like it. Let's see what happens. Love my defined risk trades too. Very important. Knowing the risk. That's what I did want to see. Boom, boom. Okay, that makes sense.
More trending move on the Bitcoin.
Right. So boom, above. I like it. Apple's cooking. Bounce. It also bounced off the 99 length log return moving average. Boom. Got a perfect wick down to it. Previous candle wick down to the 9. Got a wick down to the 9. Pulled all the way up to the reverse wave trend. A lot of volatility in that little sweet candle. But yeah, pulled back immediately. Bounced off that 99. Here we go. Like I said, 154 is the top of that power mean band on the 5-day. That would be about 50% profit. I'll snatch that up real fast. That's what I'm looking for. One of the main reasons why I bought the strikes I did. That's where I was kind of going with all this. What I did, what the strikes I did buy, why and when, and blah, blah, blah. Good stuff. Good freaking stuff. How far up?
Coin ripping it too.
Coin, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Wow.
It's back at 70 bucks. Everybody freaking coin down there at $30 or something. Look what it's done.
Jesus. Nice. Wow.
Oh yeah. You got Apple on the daily up above. Reverse Fisher. Strong. Very, very, very.
Bull, man. Strong like bull. Wow.
I don't know what kind of a really noise a bull makes, but it's close enough. They're just cows with horns, man.
They snort.
They snort.
And they move.
They snort and they chase shit that's red.
Yes. And they move.
Yeah, it happens. Yeah, it happens. It's very interesting indeed. Well, let's flip this on Meta. Let's see where Meta cheeses. Hey, what are you doing up there, man? Fucking, you see the power mean band down here? You're not going to stay outside of that very long. Holy shit. 5-day. Look at this 5-day candle. Right up above reverse wave trend. 21-day. Right. Boom. Where's it? Right to? Yeah, there's not enough history. Not enough history. Have to stick to the 5-day. Just starting to go into trend. Volatility expanding. Only at a 56%, man. This thing, I'll tell you what. Meta could pop. Meta could pop. I'm talking about I would want to short it. But see, that's the problem. That's the problem. A lot of people are like, oh, this move's unsustainable. Oh, I'd short that thing. What are you going to short it all the way to the top? There's people out there, they short shit all the way to the top, losing money, and they'll long shit all the way to the bottom. Instead of just getting on the right side of the trade. Doesn't make too much sense, but to me, people do that. Yeah, man. At some point, you got to learn how to read good indicators. Get on the right side of the trades.
Yes.
There's Netflix on the 5.
God, you got your Tasty Works up.
Yep.
Pull up the stock FDX. Look at today's February 3rd's options. Look at the spreads in these things.
FDX. All right.
It's FedEx.
Oh, I know. I'm going to FedEx time. What expiration? You talking 1 days?
February 3rd tomorrow. Look at the put up. Look at these spreads, man.
Jesus.
How are you supposed to trade that?
What the fuck? The 210 calls are 160 215s.
Yeah. Look at the 212s, man. $254.
God. Yeah, you can't even trade that. Wow.
That's crazy, man.
That is real crazy. Very, very, very insane. 210. Let's see here, too.
Oh, Carvana halted.
Of course it did.
Yeah. Oh my god. Look at this thing.
Oh, there's a shit. Is that what? 30?
Stock has doubled in 3 since yesterday.
Right. So what am I looking at? 205 and 215. So we got 86, 205. Holy shit, man. There's a bunch of call skew, man. Serious. Ton.
Hold it.
On FedEx. Definitely skews the call side big time. I mean, you got the what, 215s, 86, 103. You got the 205s, 30 and 56 cents.
I know. That's what I mean. It's insane, man.
Holy fuck.
You can't trade when it's a double. Look at the 2075, 66, 127. You're down 50% right when you buy it.
Right? That's no fun.
You're not down 2%. You're down half.
YouTube Jimmy told me to get that strike. He's probably making markets.
You are down half. Oh yeah, making markets. You're killing it, bro.
Oh,
Just sit on the bid and offer.
Yep.
Make it better by a penny.
If you like the bid at 70 cents, you'll love the ask at $1.26. Good Lord. Wild times. So yeah, Netflix on the 5-day. Definitely got above the oh nice. Found a nice support on that 9 length. These are log return moving averages. We don't use grandpa's moving averages. Worthless, lagging crap. Price action follows returns. Use log return moving averages. So what do we got? 461. Wow, another 100 points up there to the Fisher. And what is that? 461. Speaking of the devil, let me see something here. Working. Yeah, that's never going to get filled. Trades in there. We're going to get filled right there. Let's cancel that. Boop. Yes, you're out. Yeah, donkey. Now, let me get back in here. Amazon. Let's go out to March and see what's happening here. So the 115 to 205s. Hey! Really? Silly. Yeah, I really don't like that play. I'm going to be honest. What about the 110? Yeah, it's just not there. Risk reward on Amazon. It's really not there, man. It is not there at all. I don't really want to. I don't know, man. Let me see something real quick. What are we doing, Google? Looking strong. I'm not going to lie. Huh. Google. Let's see. Boom. Oh, boy. So power me 102. What are the 105s? Let's see here. Seven 110s. Where are we at right now? 107. We bust that up in a 105 range. Yeah. Wow, this is fucking interesting as hell. What the fuck? Am I on? Yeah, I'm 43 days out, man. Boy, these are wild. Not interested there either. Yeah, I'm not interested in Google or Amazon. FedEx is crazy. Not touching that for 10-foot pole. Anything fun? Not really. Plus, I don't like Google. I mean, this 33 power mean, boy, they love to get retested. Let's see here. Oh, that's what I wanted to look at. Where is? Why do I not even have that on here? Let's see.
Everybody likes to call right at 9:30 on the phone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The whole freaking day the phone don't ring.
God, look at the 5-day on Starbucks. Jesus Christ.
Dude, everything's crazy right now, man. Seriously, everything's crazy.
What the
It's skewed.
A big time. It's bucks.
It's too. It concerns me because it's too the euphoria. It's like got a euphoric feel to it.
Right.
You know what I mean when I say that?
Yeah.
I mean, usually when you got euphoria running, that's usually when they pull the fucking rug. Not saying that I know anything. Jinking around these minis, man.
Right.
I've been flipping for like 1 and 2, 3 points. That's it. A couple handles here, a couple handles there, man.
Now, what am I doing? Let's play with where are my little spies? When did puts and calls doing on spy? Yeah, what's happening?
I mean, honestly, I'd love to take a spy put maybe a month out because I've got it, but I can't imagine what the premium I've been loving.
Yeah, it's still fucking.
You know.
Yep, I do. Let's check out Mr. Spy on. Let's see.
410s, 30 cents.
Go down here on the what's happening here on
I
the
can see
4 hour.
412, 71 cents on the 412s.
Yeah, and down here, look, the RMLR on the 4 hour is at 411.
What are those at? 411s are 47 cents. That's what I've been looking for targets too. I can see a spy.
Yep, let me look at Spy. Where are you, little dirty dog? There you are.
I mean, shit, I could see 411 real easy.
Wow. Jesus, man. God, got me looking at calls now.
Calls, man. The 420s are at 10 cents. If we got there, that would be a shocker.
Yeah, for sure. Let's see up here. Let's go to the VRE. What do we got working here? Okay, opened up above. Where's that new? Oh, Jesus. Okay, so where do we close? What do we do pre-market? Man, this thing gapped it, dude. I'm telling you right now, dude. I do. I like the puts, man. I like the puts. This daily range down here didn't even attempt to get tested, man. Pre-market, it would have been different if we gapped up from that daily range, but wrong. And you're up here above the 68.3 Laplace. Then you got the bottom side down here at 410, 409. What are they going for? Boy, those 410s right now. Look at the 409s. The 409s are 24 cents.
Yeah. I was just looking there.
I mean, that's a no fucking brainer to me. Snap up a few of them. Ding!
Ding, 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 ding.
Boop! Alright. What is my dog doing? Little dumbass. Damn it. There we go. Let's see what happens. I do like this. I like this to come down. I'm going to take profit quick too. Double that money. This is definitely a great way too to freaking. Apple's still cruising along. Netflix pulling back.
I mean, there's a lot of resistance at 415 on these bodies. You know what I mean, dude? So,
oh yeah,
RMLR facing down.
Yeah, especially you got the dollar. You got the dollar pumping above the 1 SD now.
We are going into trend on the SPY. Well, coming out of it, but negatively correlated.
In this daily range, I mean, dude, those 409s are gonna, those 409s are gonna be in the money. Let's go. Let's see what happens.
Dude, you saw some of those yesterday, man. Some of those calls were $5, $10 in the money, man.
Mm-hmm.
You know, some of those were 50 cents.
Wow. Yeah, Netflix. See,
You know,
this is just what happened. Netflix coming down. Test the daily range. All right, closed right here. Daily range is way down here. Gapped up. Boom. This is typical. That's why we love this indicator, man. That's why we love this indicator. SPY probably going to do the exact same thing. Dude, these are so familiar. So I mean, same thing. Opened up above the 68.3 Laplace. The top of the daily was down by the bottom side of the 68.3 Laplace. Same thing I'm looking at over here. Dude, we could get down here in like 409 if this thing wants a test to meet. Tell you what, man, that would be just really good. Let's go. Them bitches down there. The micros are just like, NASDAQs, man. The NASDAQs. So Netflix.
Yeah, I see the center of the dailies at 409. Yeah.
Oh, what do I got? 2 apples?
Yeah.
What the fuck? I wondered what was happening here. What did I just want to put up there? Apple, Netflix. What did I want to put right there?
Wow. Apple could come down to 144. Look at Apple puts. Did Apple have has earnings today?
Yes.
Or do they, or did they?
Pretty sure after close.
After the close, that's why. 144.
Yes, I guess same thing with Apple, really.
Yeah. They're more expensive though.
Apple was a lot closer. Apple was within the range of testing here. Netflix really wasn't. Spy really wasn't. Apple, you could say yes. It's that bad boy. Let's see here. Where'd that fucker close at, man? Don't. Let's turn off extended. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I mean, here's the top of the daily on Apple. It was really close, man. Real close. Within literally 20 cents. 15, 20 cents. Apple does not need to come back down here. Spy, though, that's a pretty big gap, man. Pretty big. 412. Yeah, 409, 412 some. Yeah, we're talking dollars. Dollars.
Nice trending dump on the 1 minute on Bitcoin. It just hit the third Laplace down from the top there. From the reversal. Very nice. Now bounce.
Good times.
Yo.
Did Bitcoin cross 24,000 yet? Yeah, it almost
Yeah.
did, didn't it?
Oh, it did?
Yeah, it's interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Went up to like 24.3 or something. What was the
Yeah,
high?
and then
24
proceeded to go right down.
24,260. And there's
Got a
Netflix.
strong leg pull too, man. Damn.
Yep. Crazy
Even now,
days.
in that little last little pump, it went up to like 23,938 and just fell right back down. Very nice. Look at the daily low.
Maybe some time. Let her play out.
Yeah, it literally had a third Laplace distribution all down from the top at 1/2 the hour. And now it's right back up in the 95.
Would be a good day to dump out this mother trucker. Let's see what's happening here. Woo! SoFi, run it, baby. So far, my big winner today. Apple, SoFi, Apple and SoFi, cranking out the dollars, man. I got in that SoFi trade the other day.
You buy your options or just straight stock?
Options. Yep.
Huh.
Did a call vertical. It looked bullish as fuck.
Wow, nice move in it, man.
Yeah, it's good. It's cooking, man.
Real nice move.
No, I bought. What did I buy? Yeah, I bought the 6, sold the 13. It's right on track for what I'm looking for. Give me that fucking profit. I was gonna try to nab about $800 out of it. On the way. Fuck, it's already, but like 110 today. Apple though, 105 on the day as well. Netflix up a little bit. I'm being patient with this natural gas trade. I mean, that thing dumped so damn fast, it already went to my max loss, so man, it's all profit from here, right? That's the way I look at it. Try to get it back.
Amazon, Apple, and Google all report after today.
Yep. Faux show. Faux show, my friend. I mean, it got cold again last night. Come here, girl. One in. Come on. Okay, go out. Go on.
Very nice move here. I like these kind of days. Volatility wise.
Oh, I think my shoulder's finally coming back. Oh, good lord. Sucks getting old. All you youngins out there, take care of your bodies.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you,
I like these.
you hit 50, man.
I'm just down here, man.
Dude, I feel every impact from dropping cliffs and all kinds of shit skiing all those years. I just feel it, man. My body just got fucking wrecked. All good. Had a lot of fun.
Yeah, you're just paying for it now.
Yeah, big time, man. Big
I went to
time.
get out of my car the other day and my back locked up. My wife and daughter had to come downstairs and help me out of the car.
Oh, Jesus.
I literally just turned to get out of the car.
Right?
I mean, literally, it's all I did.
Oh, wow. Help! Daddy needs help!
Yep. Come down here and help a brother out.
Mm-hmm. Apparently my back is not cooperating. Yeah, I've been lucky with my back lately, man. My like L1, L2, L3, L4, or what is it? L1, L2, L2, L3, L3, L4 discs are just worthless sacks of hardness. They're like hockey pucks. Not a lot of fluid. It's okay. Those are all the impacts. But I've been just doing plank, doing lots of push-ups. That's the biggest thing. You got to strengthen your core, man. No weights. Bad idea.
Yeah.
Fucking through a disc. Even yoga, man. Bad idea. Especially the problem I have with my discs, man. It's not a good idea. Some of my worst back episodes I've ever had since the initial injury have been doing yoga. Hot yoga. Hot
Because
yoga.
you're doing the flying swan or whatever that shit is.
I used to go to this hot yoga down in Berkeley. I'd go like, I don't know, once a month. There's just a ton of hot chicks.
Shocker.
Yeah, shocker.
I'm shook. Man.
But, yeah. I mean, it's literally, they'd get that place like 105 degrees. And so, you know, you get loosened up, man. And they did try to go deeper and deeper and deeper. Touring! Slip a disc. It's like, shit. I had to get carried out one day, put in my car.
That's funny.
Yeah, it was pretty good, though, too. I mean, it was pretty much all women, so I had a bunch of girls helping me. Thank you, ladies. Want to come to Tahoe? Check out the lake. It's beautiful. It's beautiful out there right now. Oh my God, they got so much snow. It's beautiful. California is not in a drought anymore. Never have been. It's all bullshit, fear-mongering crap. Pretty funny.
I hear something.
Where they
Something
manipulate
interesting about Bitcoin.
something interesting about Bitcoin. I like interesting shit about Bitcoin.
So, if you look back on the daily candle on the APP, you'll notice that previous times it's been running flashes on the APPs. They tend to run over the course of it, at least a month, sometimes two, sometimes much more. And during that time, obviously, the price can rise significantly, going all the way back to 2017. It shows very clearly. 2016. It can be months and months of red flashes where you've got prices rising. And right now, guess what? As of like this, we started seeing a flash. For the first time since like November of 21 when we had the all-time highs.
A flash on what? A flash on what?
Flash on the APPs.
Oh.
And normally,
On the daily?
like on the daily, you very rarely see flashes on the APPs that are not part of long flashes on the APPs, like lasting months. And when they do, they usually like a couple months, finish a month or two after the long flash period is ended, and then they go for a couple days and whatever. But like when they start after a long period of time, like after a year or something, or several months, they usually are lasting for pretty significant amounts of time. Exception to that would be 2015 in July, but that was leading up to one that lasted for a good number of months. So this looks like, from the APP point of view, we might be starting another very long period of flashes on the APPs, and what that indicates is that we might have some nice action to the upside for the next, who knows how long, but it could be easily to the upside. Maybe to finish out the quarter very nicely, like we've been saying from the beginning, from the end of last year when we did that first quarter. We could easily see. I mean, it's very obvious that you very rarely have like stuttering starts that don't lead to a significant rise. They're usually followed by quite a long period too. So even if you have some nice stuttering rises here, it's going to be quite an interesting run here on the flashing of the APPs, I believe. Just the probabilities are. So that's how it goes.
And we're in between the 33 and 99 length log return moving average. The reverse wave trend, and we're talking weekly now, is at 24, almost 9. We get up above there.
Yeah, 30 is the next target.
It's party time for sure. But then look at the daily. Are we going to do it right now? I don't know, man. You can see finally come back to the power mean bands. This baby, and then wave trend on the dailies down here, barely over 20K. This could get really volatile. Let's see what happens. I like it though. This looks fucking really good, man. Really, really good.
I'm telling you, also, like seriously.
5 day.
When they start,
look at the wicks down into the wave trend on the 5 day. And there you go. You got the 99 length. Log return moving average up above 26K. Fisher up around almost 40. Good shit.
Yeah.
Good shit. But
I just thought I'd mention that we are like entering a period of
no bear div either. Oh my goodness gracious.
Crazy APP times right now on the Bitcoin. Obviously that flashes on long length, but like that is a heck of a...
This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a crazy indication, man.
This is what you want to see too.
We don't see this kind of situation.
Setting up hidden bull, variance coming down, negatively correlated, trending. I mean, almost went straight into trend on this Bitcoin move, 5 day. So what do? Oh, better throw a PB on this. It was almost perfect. Let's see. Yeah, after that sideways. Hell yeah. Here we go. This thing's got room to run. I mean, I've been talking about it since, whatever, the beginning of the year. Bitcoin's probably going to see 40, 30, 40K. Wouldn't doubt it at all. Everybody's in such denial, too.
Yep.
On Tasty Live this morning, people were like, well, why is Bitcoin doing this? And Tom just shut everybody down and goes, why is Bitcoin, why do people think the value of Bitcoin's there? Because it's selling for it's selling for 23.5. This is what they were talking about earlier. Tom was just like, just shut up. It's valued at 23.5. That's why the price is at 23.5.
Exactly.
Quit looking too fucking deep. That's what people do, right? They just try to look so deep into it. It's like, why is it worth 23.615? Because that's what people they're putting on it.
That's the last price paid. That's why.
That's exactly it. It's the last price paid.
Like, what the hell, man? And it's...
Man, this is looking good, dude. I mean, yeah, I know the low time frames and whatever, it's great. It's fantastic. I love scalping them up and down, but on like the higher time frames, it's looking good. And if it walks over on the daily to do that mean reversion completion, as I was saying yesterday, thank you, around, who knows, maybe February 12th or something like that, in that time area. If it just keeps walking over, even to the upside or the downside, doesn't really matter. It completes that mean reversion. It's going to be pretty sick after that. It's going to be a nice move.
Oh,
It moves away from the
26.
pretty nice.
Got up here at 99.7.
I would not be surprised to see the latter half of this month going nuts. Even maybe before that. But
Yeah, it
the latter
feels
half
to
of the
me
month,
Bitcoin's going to leg up here at some point again. There's
yeah, looks
just
like it. It sure looks like it. And, you know, you want to see all the triangle fellows.
especially
They'll
look
say,
at
well, if it's rising like this, it's got to fall. No, it doesn't. It can. It doesn't have to. It just has to do what the math says.
especially I'm just going to go from here if the returns oscillator. I mean, this is there's no bear div on the returns oscillator.
Right. Exactly. It just keep going up. It can still run.
Random walk right now.
Yeah.
Everybody's going, oh, Bitcoin's trending. It's like, shut up. Smack.
Yep.
Quit talking about trend
Exactly.
when you have no idea what it is.
Exactly, dude. You really it's hocus pocus, but that's okay.
It's
You can keep
beautiful
losing
and
the
sunny
trade
here
stuff.
today, man. So beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, this is crazy. It's a really great chart.
Fucking
And
freezing.
frankly, I mean, a lot of cryptos are in this situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm just, referring to Bitcoin because it's the obvious gorilla. But like, you could look at Litecoin or DAO or whatever. Like, they're doing nice things right now. Frankly, Cardano even.
Faux shizzle.
Yeah, dude, Cardano's up to like what, 38 cents or something?
Something like that, yeah.
Not bad from where it's been. It's gone up nicely.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now it's at 40. Sorry, now it's at 40 cents. I looked at it a little while ago. It was 38, but now it's at 40. Anyway.
Go Apple. Rock star little monkey.
Yeah. And Cardano, let's see, back in December was at 23 cents. I mean, that thing's almost up 100%.
no.
Oh yeah, I was here for a reason. 15 minute on SPY. Let's see what's happening here in the RMLR. There we go. Give me a good price. There you go, 409. Come on, baby. Come right on down there. Do I think it's gonna happen? Yeah, 100%. Let's see where this fucking power means at. You should have heard the foul language on Tasty Live this morning. It's definitely not the language. Vanetta was throwing fuck bombs out and stuff. I was laughing my ass off. Calling the boys girls and shit. She's alright. She's grown on me for sure. At first I didn't really like her.
Yeah.
She's
But
definitely
there's a
grown
difference
on me.
between that are already big years.
She
versus
keeps those
new
fuckers'
channels.
egos in check. It's a riot, dude.
There's definitely a difference between channels that already have a following and have been around for years, like with a big following, versus small channels trying to get big. Because,
09.
well, they just rate them differently.
It's gonna dump out right here, man. This
Whatever.
would be perfect. This would be I'll tell you what, I'd love to see this thing come back down. Test this 33 power mean at 406, man. What the hell did I buy in SPYs?
409.
Yeah, the 409s. Those babies would be rich. That thing drops at 406.
406 or 6 cents or 7 cents.
Right. Are they? God, the 406s, huh?
Definitely, that's what you're yeah.
Let's see here. God, they are. They're 8 cents, aren't they? The 406s? 407s are only 12.
Oh, God.
Yeah, the 406s, huh?
RNDR.
Just popped
Up
a.
91.
Go back down.
Jeez. RNDR.
Robert Nancy.
Robert, Nancy, Drew, Robert.
RNDR. Somebody saw somebody talk about this earlier.
It's a crypto. Render token.
Yeah, maybe that's where I heard it. Yeah, render.
81 cents yesterday, $1.73 today. I'm
How
sorry.
much yesterday?
Sorry, no, it's just the weekly.
Oh, wow.
Daily's up 24%.
Wow.
Up $1.34
I do like
yesterday.
those.
I'm just gonna say $1.34, huh? Wow.
It'll be quick here, man.
Render.
Render.
Too many assets to trade, man.
Come on, power me.
Oh, yeah, it's so many. It's true.
Dude, it's just so much, man. It's insane.
I'll be right back.
That threshold one is up again, 7 point something percent, and AVAX is up again a crazy amount, 16.9%. Got all kinds of crazy stuff. Even ETHW, which is the old ETH chain, that's the one that's still proof of work, is 20.9% gain today, which is up at like 456, up from 364 yesterday. That's quite a move for a network that fewer and fewer people are disincentivized to use, actually. Mm-hmm. But if you look at Litecoin mirroring again what Bitcoin is doing.
Yeah, I've been watching it since you told me about it.
Yeah, like it went up, had that little spike yesterday, and then had that other little spike after that, and then the third one, and then it just
it's up $10 since we were talking about it. I mean, yesterday was up 5. I mean, actually was up almost 9 yesterday.
Right. Yeah.
Bounced right off the monthly. It looks like, right? Is it the monthly?
Yeah, it's up over $100, and it's like it pretty much does what like the movements are very similar to Bitcoin, even if the amounts are different. The movements are very similar.
Right. Well, that's what you're looking for, man. So.
Yeah, and when you see like the funding moves at the same time, you see all kinds of stuff happening at the same time. It's just kind of a no-brainer. If you want to trade a cheaper asset that does similar things to the king of crypto.
Look at this site. Somebody, gosh, let me put a link to this. Somebody sent me today. It's called lunacrush.com.
Luna Crush?
Yeah, and apparently somebody's come up with a way. I'll put a link right here in a minute. Somebody's come up with a way so it's all like crowd. It's like talks about what everybody's talking about. So it's telling you what's hot.
Dude, do not go to lunacrush.com. Maybe it's got a hyphen in it or something, but
Lunar, sorry.
Lunar Crush, okay.
I put a link there.
Lunar Crush seems to be some kind of an adult.
Yeah, Lunar. I love how their advertisement is trade what everybody's talking about.
Right. Exactly.
I know. It's amazing that people come up with, man.
Yeah. Don't miss out on a lot of moves that already happened. Here we go. Trade what people. Exactly. What a bunch of nonsense.
Oh,
everyone's talking about it. Move. Lunar Crush.
So there is a lunar coin. I didn't know that. Whatever.
There's a Luna coin.
Well, I know there's Luna, but there's an LUNR too.
Oh yeah, I mean, I'm sure that wouldn't be surprising. Yeah.
Stacks.
Lunar. What are we trading? Trading charts.
LUNR is the ticker.
It's garbage. I wasn't not selling it. Just
the 14 cents.
Everybody's
garbage.
Let's go, RMLR. Get our butts down here. Come on down. You know it. You like it. You love it. You want more of it. Anything popping? Crypto? Pop. AVAX up 6%.
Remember when Yearn Finance was like multiples of Bitcoin expensive?
Yearn.
Is that YFII or whatever?
Yes.
Yeah, YFII.
The one that went to like 100,000 or something?
Where's that?
Yeah, no.
Where's that at now?
7,800.
Jesus.
Oh, wait.
People own
that shit got wrecked as fuck.
Big time.
Let me look at the weekly on this.
Wrecked AF.
Yeah, this. I remember when, like in 20, when everything went nuts. This went like way high. I can't even get up. Hang on.
Yeah, it was costing like a few Bitcoin for one.
Jesus.
Something crazy.
Yeah, the high was. Wait, why is it saying $9,700? Right.
No, the high was way higher than $900.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I remember this thing, man.
Hundreds of thousands of dollars or something crazy.
He was stuck in this motherfucker, man.
I love it.
Finance. But see what it says here on the crypto index.
Yeah, old Yearn.
Good old Yearn.
A yearn for the day.
Bank of England raised rates to 4%. 10
Not
straight.
96. So it says here 96,000 on the index chart. 96,000 in April 2021. That was the high. Doesn't seem right, but anyway, 96,000 was still. That was more. That was like that was a Bitcoin and a half at that time.
A lot of money, brother.
A lot, yeah. And then from there, down to the lows of 41.61, and then from there it popped up. But remember, I mean, it did stop. It did start at like $760 or something like that. So even people who were holding from the very beginning are still in crazy profit if they're actually holding. But they should, they should have sold a long time ago. But
We know that didn't happen.
right, you know.
Boom. Take them bone.
But whoever is holding from back then, you know, they still have profit. I mean, it's foolish to be holding something like that for so. If you got in at $700 or $800 or even $1,000, and it went up to 96 and you didn't sell, come on, what are you doing?
It's not enough.
It's just crazy. Yeah, it's not enough. I mean, even the first run, like after a couple months when it like sort of peaked out, it was already 35 grand, and you could have bought back in at like 10 before it went back up to 96. Like, dude, that's crazy gains. That's crazy gains. But yeah, Yearn wouldn't buy it. I would not buy that right now. $1,700. It'll go up again, who knows? But things are like that don't really have. I mean, what is it? Yearn Finance. It's like a DeFi yield farming gimmick. Right? It's supposed to like find the optimal thing to be invested in at any given time or something. Like, yeah, sure.
Damn Ponzi.
It's silly. Like,
Bro. Oh, shit.
You're gonna make it.
I gotta monitor these. Sorry. Go, Yasha. I'm sorry.
No, they're good, man. The 406 and the 409 is doing very well.
Yes, they are.
I mean,
Fucking getting ready to get my fucking groove on here. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
I'm about ready.
Come on. Get your shit. Yeah, bitch. Sweet talking to markets.
I got a sweet talk to that.
Put lipstick on Spy. Spy's always sexier with lipstick.
That's right.
Get your lipstick on. Put your high heels on. It's red panty night, baby.
Mm-hmm.
wow.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, man.
22K. Let's see if we hit that.
Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. We got Bear Div on the 33. Would imagine so. Oh, yeah. But I tell you what, man, this pullback won't be long. I want it to go down there and hit that like 410. At least. Because this variance is coming down negatively correlated on the 33, so it's definitely going to hold it up. It's still trending too. So, you're saying there's a chance? Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Look, correlation just broke too. That last candle. Broke sloping negative with expansion. Come on, don't be shy. Put your fishing waders on. Jump in the swamp with Bilbo. He's down here waiting for you. We'll take our profit and go to fucking St. Elmo's tonight. Have a shrimp cocktail and a fucking fillet.
Oh, that's right. That's near you, isn't it?
Yeah, we got a St. Elmo's. Yeah.
Yeah, they have. I have a bottle there of cocktail sauce in the refrigerator.
Oh, that shit'll fire you up.
Oh hell yeah,
it's
dude.
So good, dude. I put that
I'll
shit on my eggs.
Too, man.
I'll make eggs and beans and just cover it with the old cocktail sauce. Shit,
that's some spicy meatballs, man. Let me tell you that.
Dude, it's great food, man. It's a good time. St. Elmo's is a good time.
I've heard a lot of good things about that, bro.
Dude, it's all about service too, and the service is just off the hook. Good shit, man.
They're finally coming to fix my sink. I haven't had a sink in the fridge in the kitchen in 3 days, man. The house is tore up.
Yeah, I feel you. I'm doing dishes in the bathroom and shit.
Got jammed up in my between the garbage disposal and the dishwasher. Jammed.
Damn it.
Damn it, Jimbo.
Now in the 15's gonna print a little bowl, huh? You're just gonna make it a rough one, aren't you, baby?
I'm gonna make you sweat it out, bro. You're gonna have to stare at this shit all day.
Probably. Now the RMLR in the 15's up here at 410, almost 411.
Really?
410.5.
Bouncy.
It's making its way. We just got to get back down inside this one SD band here, and then best case scenario, this 33 power mean gets retested down by the one SD band too. That'd be epic. Let's just get a quick whoop. What's a dollar doing? What you doing, you little shit coin? Oh yeah, it's right back up. Exactly what I thought was gonna happen. This fucking thing. Wouldn't all these people love to know where that tight weekly was? Where these distribution levels are at? What was going to happen? Come on, dollar. Get your ass up there. Back up above. Man, this thing's trying to make a 2 SD move.
What, the dollar?
Yeah, man. Strong right now. I'm surprised more shit's not dumped hard. A resilient little market. It don't give a shit. Rings running together. Until it doesn't.
Right.
Then you're like, oh shit. Guess it had a mind of its own. Yep, it sure did. Sure enough did. Yeah, Netflix comes down, tests the bottom side of the 68.3, top side of the weekly. Bounced. Whoop. We love our distributions. Yes, we do.
Yeah, I mean, look at that coin literally on the 1 minute, just testing the top side of the daily, punched the top side of the mono-weekly, and then just, again, test the top side of the daily, and boom, again, walk it back up. In random mode. That's what it does, right up to the power mean, and then from the power mean, see where it goes.
Yep. Literally.
That's basically
a wick.
Right.
Wick right to the top of the weekly, pulled back up, then the next one closed right at the top of the daily, and pumping right off of it.
Yeah. And it's going right up to complete that mean reversion at the power mean right now.
This thing's probably going to scream up back over 24 to the top side of the 68.3 if it gets it back up in here.
Yeah. Crosses above that power mean. And look, right now it's totally random. The only thing you can do now with entropy is get out of complete randomness. It's going to go one way or the other. And it's in arranging mode on the 45 minute, and it is in a, let's see what it's doing on 15 minute. Also in arranging mode on the 15 minute. So on the VRE width, I mean. So let's see. It's at the power mean. It completed our mean reversion. Finally. It does. There we go. There we go.
You wanna go
the Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin.
On a 10 minute, I have Bitcoin hit the third LMLR band. So it should be mean reverting back up now.
Yeah, it is mean reverting back. It just completed a mean reversion up on the 1 minute.
Right, that's what okay, let me look at one.
Let's go look at the
I was looking at a 10 minute.
Yeah, sure. You shrunk down to whatever time frame. You'll see it. But like on the one, it just completed the mean reversion, and now
what?
See where it goes in the horizontal frames.
Oh, I see what you're saying on the 1 minute. Yeah. I got a serious, like my main RWT at 23,770. It's like it's trying to shoot towards 773 or 733.
That's where, like, on the daily, when it takes a long time to do the mean reversion, but like, I don't even care because it can take months, and who cares? It'll happen. But like on the lower time frame, it just happens so fast. Like on the 1 minute and the 10 minute and whatever, it happens sooner than most people think. Especially on the 1 minute, it tends to happen pretty quickly. There we go. Go above that power mean, stay above. It's so random right now, man. Oh, let's go. What else is happening? Solana 2490. Looking good. A little dumpy there on the 4 hour. A little flat, really.
What the fuck?
Binance, having walked up to $330 or so. Now pulling back a little bit. Pretty good. Last movements on the 4 hour. Binance coin. A centralized, not really decent, and not really cryptocurrency. But it's tradable. ETH doing the same thing. ETH hit almost $1,700. $1,699. So no, it isn't actually 1,700 even. And it came right back down. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good.
When she says goodbye. What you gonna do when she's gone? I'm gonna celebrate.
Well, I'll catch you guys later. Have fun, fellas.
Later.
Happy trading.
Peace out, brother.
Later, bro.
Hey Scott, real quick, when I'm making another chart. If you're putting up a Pearson correlation, you're just trying to put it towards the SEP, right? What?
Do what now?
I'm just adding another Pearson correlation to an SEP on a new chart. It's right when it says source, I'm putting ATSEP, right?
Yep.
ATSEP should be the source. Okay.
Yes.
And then it says variance plot of width. I haven't used this one in a while. And then area, and then the correlation look back. What do you normally usually on that?
Depends on what. If I'm on low time frames, probably a 5.
Yeah.
If I'm above.
So it's 5 on low and 10 on longer ones, right?
Yep.
That's what I thought you said.
Yep, that's what I do.
So what do you consider a low time frame? Below an hour?
Like 4 hour and below.
All right, so 5 on a 4 hour below. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, that's kind of what I do. But 4 hour, that's like you could run that on I'll switch them. I'll get a 5 read, then a 10 read, and then I'll look at all the lengths, check those, check out the correlations on those.
And then on your SEP, if you don't mind, what's your sample size? You using 7 or what do you use?
What am I using on Shannon Entropy? Let's see here.
And then your correlation look back, is it always the same?
Yes. Let me see some. Show lower line.
I think the average is, or the default is 30, right?
Yeah, and that's that thing on the AT Swiss. It's all internal.
Right. So I happen to have that AT Swiss and as well. And it's internal. So like on the top part of the AT Swiss it says show upper indicator, I put Shannon Entropy.
Yeah, see I've got mine on 5 on Shannon Entropy. Here's the correlation settings. Correlation source upper 5.
Wait, you're on Swiss. Hang on, let me blow this up. I can't see. Stay with me 1 second.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. So you have it on, so your Swiss you got an entropy length. I don't have that, but that's okay. So wait, yours is at the top. So your Swiss, you're all the way down entropy settings. Hang on, entropy settings. Hang on, stay with me. Entropy settings, you have at 33. And then ALMA. Oh, so that's what's different. Mine says SV filter.
Yeah, see the ALMA finishes out in a normal distribution.
If entropy coloring invert colors, does that mean I've had it clicked on? You don't have it clicked on. So then you have
no, that's because it'll color the I like to see. I don't just like, because I mean I'm down here. I know I don't need the candles to tell me when stuff's trending or in random walk.
No, I'm with you. Yeah, I'm with you, man. I appreciate it. I'm just
sometimes that would confuse me when I was looking at divs and shit.
All right, and then you don't have the first line on. I got it. Cool. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah.
And then do me a favor, scroll up to the top, will you? All the way to the top. I just want to see Shannon. You got it, columns, and then and it says upper Kaling. You have it on direction.
Direction predictor.
2 color.
Yep, just 2 color. I don't need the other ones.
All right, cool. And then you have line. Then what is your lower one? Oh, you're using DLP on the bottom.
No. It's entropy. The bottom.
No, it says your upper line. Oh wait, that's line. Oh wait, show lower
entropy.
And then show lower
area.
Upper line indicator, and then you have it on, and then on just plain entropy. Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the line of the entropy, I have predictor, direction.
Yeah, in line. I see. I got it. Cool. All right. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure that out. I like the way you have it set up, man, on that Swiss. It's nice,
Yeah,
man.
I like it for sure. It's definitely my chart late. I haven't changed my chart in quite some time now.
Well, look, if it works for you, then that's what you know. What I mean, that's
Yes.
exactly what matters. You know, so you don't use the line upper or lower, or lower you do, but not upper.
Not really. I mean, I could. It's just, I mean,
No,
look,
it's okay.
yeah.
I'm just asking because I like the way yours is very simple.
Because there's
You
a
know what I
thing.
mean?
You could have it on AVR. I already have the AVR, and I like having it up. APPs are on my AVR. The DLP, I like just running the DLP.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. That's why
Cool.
I kind of keep it simple, where you could literally have this indicator be a ton of shit. You wouldn't need.
I know. I want to do the same thing like you, like you. I'm starting to like look at the APP one too. Like if you click OK and then you go up to the APP you have up top there, you're seeing between the Swiss and the one above it. Yeah, I agree with you. There's a lot there. You know.
Yep, for sure.
Dude, this just doesn't want to break down. I don't get it. I'm surprised I'm shocked that we're still holding up like this.
What time is it?
We went from way oversold conditions to like, you know, and like you say, I mean, everything still looks bullish. Like there's still room to go higher.
Yeah.
On your, you know, like on your indicators, man.
Right.
But it's like so overdone, man.
Yeah. No, it's like I mean, I'm just looking. I bought the puts I bought, just trusting the indicator.
No, that's what I did yesterday.
Yeah.
I bought a couple calls yesterday that were good. You know, exactly. I bought a 406. I paid 9 cents for a 406. So let's see what happens there. That's right where it's at now. You know what I'm starting to think, and maybe you can tell me. I understand it was the wash. Okay, I understand. Is this the wash machine backed up? No, hang on. They got a guy coming here to fix it. No kitchen sink. Hang on, is it kitchen?
The old
Sink.
kitchen sink.
Maybe dishwasher. Anyway, so maybe you can tell me. So let's say what is it when you want to buy a call and put at the same time? What's that called? A strangle or straddle?
What did you say?
So if you want to buy a put and call at the same time,
Like at the money.
well, look. Here's a question. So let's say we were looking. So S&P's trading around 415 right now. Let's say I wanted to buy a 410 put and a 420 call. Okay, or you know, I mean, I guess I could tighten it up, but I'm just using that as an example. So it would be 31 cents for me to buy the 410 put, and the 410 call or 420 call would cost me a dime. So, right?
Yeah, like because a straddle is you're buying a put and a call at the money.
At the money.
At the money,
right?
yeah.
Like before you be buying the same strike price.
Same strike, right at the money. Like, and what were you saying? What are you looking at? Which asset?
So I'm saying if you bought a 410 put and a 420 call.
Oh, we're talking SPY.
Yeah.
Let me get on there.
So if you bought a 420 call is 11 cents right now on the offer, and a 410 put is 30 cents on the offer. So that's a total of 41 cents.
Right.
Yesterday, had you done something like this on you know, I think this is a straddle. I think that's what this is.
If you're buying, it'd be if
you're buying.
Say you were like selling. Let me see here. Say you're selling the 420 and selling the what was your put?
No, I'm buying both of these.
Yeah, you're buying both of them.
Call. So 420 call and a 410 put. So combined right now it's 40 cents, 41 cents for me.
Right.
41 cents for me. Okay. So on a trending day, right, or whatever. So the hope is you buy either one of these and it's going to take off either way. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's just if you can get some good skew right to one side and then it works with you. Yeah, you're definitely going to make some money.
Like yesterday, a day like yesterday or the day before. What, baby? Yeah, the bathroom you can use. The guy's going to be here. Sorry, man. The guy's going to be here in about 15 minutes, Grace. Sorry.
Yeah, 11. Yeah, I mean, obviously, right? There's put skew big time.
Right. So there's okay. So I guess I'm just trying to think about this as it's the way to you know your risk then would be the you know your premium paid, so
Yeah.
41 cents.
Because you got the ask on the 420s at 11.
Right.
The 410 is 28 cents.
Right. So 39 cents. It would cost you 39 cents to make this trade.
Yeah. And so
And your
that's
hope
also
is
also
either way.
showing you that the skew is to the put side.
How can you tell that?
Well, because you got the ask on the put side 27 cents. The 420s are 11, right? And so and the price is right in the middle of both. So that's what you want to do. So say we're right at 415, check out the 410s and then the 420, and the puts are a lot more. They're starting to equalize though as we speak. I mean, they're 918 going down quick. For 2012, there's still a little bit, but yeah.
Right.
Oh man, that changed fast. Jesus, it changed real fast. Right? It's even now. Getting close anyway.
Crazy, dude.
Oh wait, I was looking at 409. No, it's still there. There's 7, 8, 9 cents.
Still what? 14 cents.
Yeah, the puts are worth 9 more cents.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, there's no chill right now. Fucking interesting.
Yeah. Wow.
Interesting.
So they just dropped. So right now at 22 and 13. So now it's 35 cents. The market's turning up here, it seems. The only reason I was thinking about it is because, you know, I'm only buying one side. I was wondering if I bought both sides, maybe, you know. But then that's your risk. Yeah, look at this market
this
rally.
Dirty dog. It's dirty dog. Yeah. Pump it. Fuck it.
Yep. Look at that move. Yep. So right there.
And the dollar rejecting off that weekly again. Pretty much. Well, let's see what happens though. They're definitely they want to put people in the hurt locker.
Wow.
A quick little pullback.
Jesus.
And then pump it. I can see that happening. Or it could just take off, man. These markets are...
The futures just ripped up 30 handles in the last 10 minutes. Well, the last 5-minute candle just ripped up, 15 in the last 5-minute candle. Wow. It's a big move.
Jesus, triple Q's up 3%.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it's NASDAQ, man. It's everything AMD. Look at Microsoft's up $7. Look at this. Amazon's up another 6. Google's up 6%.
Yeah.
Meta's up. Well, that's got 190 now in Meta. Jesus.
Yeah. And Tesla's at 191.
Oh my God.
Fucking thing is just on a mission.
Wow. Yeah, it is.
I mean, Jesus, we're about to fucking run a 1SD move on SPY.
Yeah.
What would be epic is to run a 1SD to the top side and then take it down to the bottom side at 407. That'd just be beautiful. Come on, motherfucker.
Yeah, those 420 calls almost just doubled. Went from 11 to 20 cents.
Yes, they did. Wow. Yeah. Now look at the 410s. They're 17. Yeah, that was
cool. So you know what I mean. So that's what I'm saying. I'm wondering if there's a way to, I guess you're doing it at the money, because if you did it at the money, you would, you're buying the same strike price. Yeah, okay. I should know this, but
that's the best case scenario. I mean, you just like right now, if I were to throw a strangle on or a straddle right now, a long straddle on SPY, it costs me $284 in buying power. $284. But
and it would be buying a call and selling a call?
Yeah, right now you would be buying the 416 call input. Which the put side, you can see right now the put side's one. I love these tight fucking nice, man.
Yeah, they're almost the same money. One's 146 and one's 130.
Yeah, I got the calls 127, or at least the bid 127. Look at the puts 150. Fuck, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Big movement here. Big movement.
Yeah, I mean,
And again, you know what, Scott, as crazy as this is, man, it's just almost, I'm telling you, this RWT thing, we just, if it just had it automated, if I just had this automated and bought every time across the RWT either way, I think this thing would be majorly profitable without any emotion, any human emotion.
right.
Like on a 1 minute or even a 30-second on like on the spies right now, it would have caught, depending on how you have your RWTs, because I've been tweaking them around. I've been using different channels. If you look at the RWTs, they're automatically default to 49 channel. So I tweaked it down to a 9 channel. It's an interesting, if you ever want to take a look, it calls it quicker. So sometimes I'll have both, where I'll have like a 9 channel and a 49 channel running, and the 9 channel will give the trade quicker. You know what I mean?
Right now.
I don't know if you use RWT much, but
yeah, I mean, I've got it running on the UPM. Let me turn off this fucking rejection boss. What am I on, the 4 hour? I don't want to be on the 4 hour. Populate. Come on.
Yeah.
The
UPM. Because
UPM.
UPM going.
There we go. Yeah, on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, but you have it on the UPM. I see what you're doing, but I think even on the UPM, it's there as a 49 line or 49. Let me see.
Yeah. On the you can change it, but yeah, I've got my what is my reverse wave trend? Yeah, the wave trend's 49.
Yeah, that's its default. Now, if you tweak that a little bit to 9 or have a second one or just put a reverse wave trend and have them both up there, you'll see it catches it a little bit quicker. Just food for thought.
Right? No, yeah. I've never ran.
And I really do like the fact that when Yash told me to add on the opposite, the wave trend, and when you in conjunction, they really do work great together.
Yeah, I mean, you can see right now the 49 shit, the data set's right at it on the 15 minute.
Yep. That's what I mean.
Oh wait, Jesus, that's Bitcoin. What the fuck am I looking at? What are we looking at? SPY.
No, we're above
there
it.
We go.
I was looking at Bitcoin too because I have it on one of my charts. So yeah. No, we're above it. So I have it on what channel do I have this on? I have it on a 9 channel on a 15 minute or whatever. So I had
look at this thing running.
1382.
Yeah, and look at the wave trend on the 15. It's down there at 406, 407 area.
Oh yeah. I see what you got. Yeah, it's different. Yeah.
I mean, this thing's running away from these power mean bands too. This isn't sustainable.
Is that a daily? That's a daily chart, right? No, that's your 15 minute.
It's 15 minute. We are way outside these power mean bands. It does not like that. You get way outside, this is what usually happens. I mean, it rode the power mean band up on this move. This thing just took the fuck off, and it's still moving. Jesus. Yeah. Well, now you got volatility.
You're in the trend over there. Way into trend on the Swiss. Yeah. And what is APP telling you? Everything's, you're starting to contract, negatively correlated, so it should go higher, right?
I mean, the APPs on the 15, all 3 lengths are just fucking topped out. Topped out big time. Usually when they all get topped out big time, you get a little pullback. For sure. I just look at it as it's exhausted.
Yeah.
Big time. The buying. But this thing's got no fucking chill right now, apparently. This would be, we get a rejection right here on the 15, on the 0 mean.
Yeah.
That strong bear div, that thing will come tumbling down. You'll probably see the correlation break, which it's pretty, I mean, look how far this negative correlation. I mean, it could break positive during this contraction, and definitely another reason for it to pull back. DLP, bear div, Z-score, a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit there,
trying to set up. But this is the one thing, I mean, that's why I love these power mean bands. I mean, you don't get too far away from these usually.
Really?
And when you do,
most of the time it'll end up coming back to it.
100%. I mean, like right here, right? Gap down, get below wave trend, Fisher, all the freaking moving averages, the log return moving averages, gets way away from the power mean band, right back up.
Yeah, right back to it.
It'd be perfect if it did it right now.
You know why? We have it on the 15 minute. We're almost hitting a third RMLR band. So if it were to mean revert, we'd be looking at 413.
Yeah, and then we go over here. Yeah, I mean, boom. Here we are again on the 15. We're at the 2 SD.
40 cents for it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, because you have your those are your dev bands, right? These are your deviation bands you have on here.
These are the deviation bands around the RMLR.
Around the RMLR. Okay, they are. Okay.
Yep.
So you're at the second one there. Okay. You got the
go over
power
here on the 15. Boom. Yeah, and there's the Laplace bands sitting at the 95.4. So obviously the probabilities are come back.
Yeah.
I'm waiting to see here. Let's see. Let's drop to a 9-minute. See if shit's shifting around. Definitely setting up bear div, man. Setting up the bear divs. Wow, a lot of correlation breaks. Holy shit. Yeah, and there wasn't this. I mean, this popped. I mean, it definitely wasn't bull. It's just hitting. It's random.
Oh.
Random on the 9. Here we are, way above, even on the 9-minute. And you got the reverse wave trend a little bit below 409. I mean, I'm just seeing a lot of things telling me that this price action is going to want to come down and test this fucking area here at some point today. I mean, yesterday was a trip. Right at the end of the day,
Right.
they fucking pumped that fucking thing right at the end again. Went flying up. Then the last 15-minute candle. Whoop. And I didn't fucking see that wick. I mean, fucking donkey. That wick went right to the top of the new daily. 30-some bitch. Did not notice that.
What? I didn't hear you.
Well, we got that last 15-minute candle a day. Yesterday sent a wick down to right to the top side of where that new daily opened. But then it pulled back up. Now it gapped up. That's why the whole time I'm like, I still like this area.
I see it. Yeah, I see it. The wick. Yeah.
Well, but the dollar's losing its steam right now. Pulled right back inside the first standard deviation, barely, but it is to the top side. But there, it's back in the daily range too, though. So, boom. Is it gonna bounce here? I mean, this is a weekly support level down here at 101.475. We'll see. You crushed right down through it yesterday. No problem.
Holy shit, dude, 125, 155, 180. Yeah, I guess the thought today was to buy the calls.
We'll see. We'll see how this pans out.
I mean, that's just early. No, because I'm leaning towards buying. I'm looking at buying the 413 put right now.
Yeah, it's early. This thing's only been open
hour? Seriously, all day, dude.
Hour and 10 minutes.
I got it, man.
Yeah,
I see a lot of things attracting it back down here, man.
What time is it? 10:42. Yeah, let's wrap this up. Let's keep in contact in the chat and shit.
Yeah, got it. I'll send out some shit, brother. Have a great day.
Yep.
Peace.
Yep.
Peace.
All right, all you YouTubers out there, we're gonna wrap this up. We'll be back tomorrow, last trading day in traditional markets, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for joining us. See ya.